Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how to claim some Testnet NFTs and be eligible for the airdrop, and those chains are SUI and the SUI wallet and the Martian wallet, which is part of Aptos network. And also during this video I want to highlight the difference between claiming some valuable NFTs which are going to be part of the airdrop, and also doing some activities which are not valuable a lot and don't bring you any results and rewards in the end. And yeah, let me actually start with SUI. If you don't have their wallet yet, so you could go to Google and just search for their SUI wallet extension, download it, and go through average procedure with seed phrase and set up your wallet. And you know, if you were part of this wallet already, you know that it's quite painful using it. So maybe if you just starting using it, you will see some issues, but what we need to do is select network, which is Sui Testnet. It is something new added here. So I did another wallet in the different laptop, and in the beginning I had only local and DevNet, but like after some time, 24 hours or so, other networks were added. So be ready if you have something like that in the beginning. So we need to click on this SUI Testnet, and first you also need to request some Testnet tokens. So you just need to click on it and you will see some of them in the beginning. And you know, it is a functionality for NFTs added. You could see here that I have 4 NFTs, and what makes me a bit even angry, to be honest, I saw some tweets saying that SUI NFT mint guide for possible airdrop, and remember Aptos airdrop was based on minted on its testnet, and don't be like do it. And you know what makes me angry, because it's so different, because Aptos Testnet NFT was specific rewarding NFT for those of people who was doing those, like it was written Testnet NFT. And now what we have with this SUI wallet, just testing these NFT activities. I don't say it's not need to do, but it's just random NFTs which we could mint. And let me show you what you need to do. So the first thing, it is two couple of NFTs. I will show you how to do it. So we need to go to this apps, which is the third tab in here, and click to mint an NFT on the top. So, and by clicking this mint an NFT, what you will see in the end, you will see that its extra NFT will be added in here. So it will be example NFT. And another thing you could do is to create your own NFT, and here it is number 1 called SUI. So in this case you need to click on this SUI NFT mint, and by clicking this you need to click view, and then it's going to be create NFT in here. I will put the name to description too, and here is some URL for image from their example. So clicking create and approving it with their mint, you could transfer it, but if you just checking it, you will see it in your wallet. So yeah, it is how it look like. It's second one. So it is first type of NFTs you could mint, so creating your own NFTs and minting some existing one. I don't think it's going to be like specific Testnet NFT, which is going to be eligibility criteria, but it's good to do. And also, second thing we have some collection called Wizard Land SUI. It's quite good already, have actually 13k of followers in the Twitter account, and good to do in my opinion. So it's very easy to do, and I think it's also not bad to do it. So you need to go to the app from here. It's their link in here. I will also put it in the description for your convenience. So, and it's very easy interface, make sure you already put some testnet money in here. So I did show it for you, but you could do it one more time. So it is part of this interface. You could click to request Sui Testnet tokens, and that's then you need to click to mint wizard and then approve, and then they will congratulate you on minting test NFT for this specific collection. And they also said that like early users maybe get benefits. Just another collection, something we could do in here. Again, it is example of kind of worthless activities, because people with DevNet on SUI doing so much things, but it just failed, and we had to redo it again. And it doesn't seem that it's something specific we need to do that for sure with 100% will give us some reward. And second type of NFT, it is Martian Wallet NFT, which I'm pretty sure will give us something more valuable. So if you are not part of Aptos ecosystem yet, you don't have Martian Wallet, you need to download it, the extension, and it's how you could do it. You just need to add like some Martian Wallet extension, download it, again go through average process for downloading the app, and you have this wallet with seed phrase and everything. So once you have the wallet, you need to go to the testnet. So you will see some networks again, and we need to go to testnet. And with this testnet, first you need some money in here too. So you need to click to the airdrop in here. So in this case, you will have some Aptos or on other crypto, I don't remember for sure. And next you need to go to the second tab with NFTs. So if you did some tasks already, I was part of SUI 3 NFTs, so it's so many of them in here. But what you need to do is to go to mint Martian NFT tab, then click connect your Martian wallet, click approve, and then you will see this claim Martian NFT. So, and they're thanking for you to be part of Martian community, and this is kind of Martian NFT OG club. So for those who are early, so you need to click mint NFT, and once it's minted, it's also going to be part of your wallet, and you will see this in your NFTs tab in Martian wallets. I have also multiple of them already. Actually, I think it's good to use, and this is one is added. And again, why I think the difference between those two, because this is specific reward as thank you for the community, for the early adopters, and it seems something that they did for their community. And for SUI, they just testing the functionality and something like that. They will do something pretty similar, but it will be later on once it's all working well. And in the end, I also want to show the chart of Trust Wallet Token, which was performing very well during the last days, because they just announced that they have extension for now, not only mobile app, and they just growed very greatly. And I think that tokens for different wallets have a good potential and have a lot of room for growth for further time. And I think that if we have some ability to buy early or be eligible for the airdrop, I think it's good. And as we have more chains coming, they will have some very first and very used some wallets, even Aptos. They have Ponton wallet, Martian wallet, and some others, but potentially all of them will have some tokens, and some of them will definitely reward some early users and adopters. So I think it's good to do, and also focus on those wallet NFTs as part of their OG clubs and rewarding. And and then I also want to say that I do a lot of airdrop video, and for those are still available for doing. I did this spreadsheet with different types of projects and link for the videos for you to do, because it's quite easy to be lost in the videos. But I will also do the playlist with all those valid and active airdrops. But it's also good to use this spreadsheet, and once I do this video I will also add this link for those NFTs. So it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.